Hi everyone, just thought I'd give you a little update. I've just had delivery of 2 boxes here, and these are the sort of production copies. So I've set off for some more samples. These are the final versions. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to open this up and we're going to see what they look like. So you're going to see this at the same time as I see them as well. So this is 2 boxes. One is the tourism and travel toolkit, and the other one is the product and service toolkit. So both of them have slightly different journeys, similar process, and then we've included different ideas, etc., within that as well. So let me just take away some of this stuff here, and I can see a whole bunch of them in here. And here is the travel and tourism toolkit. And the cellophane, you can see, compared to the samples that I had, they are more than double the size, you get more than double the cards. There's extra platform cards, so you can do multiples of them, lots more ideas, and of course more blank cards as well to create your own ideas. We've coloured them up as well. So the green one is the travel and tourism one with the blue back, and then the other one, which will open up in a second, will be the retail one, which will be in red. So see here, I have a bunch of the samples here. So let's have a look at the next box. Open this up. Yeah, they're a good bit bigger compared to the samples that I had in the videos. And here we have is the red one, which is the product and service toolkit. So you can see both of them there, and you can see the sizes of them. So those are a good size with lots of good cards and things that you can carry about with you as well. So let me just hide these boxes. And what we're going to do first is quickly open up this one, just to sort of see what it's like, the product to retail one, or the product to service one, and then we'll open up the travel one. So it's going to take probably some of the cellophane. Try to open it up properly. There we go. Let's take the cellophane off. Quality is great. It's basically printed on sort of linen, Premier linen cards, as if you get really good quality playing cards. It's the same with the box as well. See there's a box with the various elements on it and stuff there as well, a little QR code that you can scan in and take it to the video to show you how to use it. And there will be a course included in this as well. So it's going to open it up. You can see there's the full box. But that's, apart from that's looking great, and there's all the cards. So you can see there, it's in this being all cellophaned up. So that's them all there. So that's the amount of cards that you get. You get a whole bunch of cards that went on the sample ones. So if I sort of take away that thing that's holding them together, you can see there, you've got the different cards. So the journey for the retail and tourism one is awareness, consider, purchase, then it could be a cancellation returns one, retention, and advocacy. And then you have a whole bunch of cards that gives you ideas of what you can do in between each one of those journeys. So you get loads of them as well, plus a whole bunch of the platform cards as well. So there's a whole load of them, because you might have certain things go over, say, multiple Facebook ads or whatever, so you might have multiple events. So there's lots of these. There's 3 of each copy of each different type of platform, etc. And then you have, if I just put these to one side, then you have a whole bunch of blank cards that you can take a Sharpie, write on them, and then you've got writing your own ideas and you're brainstorming ideas and doing things like that as well. So that's there is the product and retail one. As I say, so it's about 3 times the amount of cards compared to the one I showed in the video. So I'm just going to add these back in. I love that box. The box is really nice, really good quality. Just feels great in your hand when you own these cards. Really, really nice. You can see that everything fits in snug. And that's that. So let's now open up the travel and tourism one. This is the one I actually started off with developing, because I worked heavily in the travel and tourism sector. But I've been dealing with sort of brand development and marketing for 32 years, so I know the retail and product side as well, because I've done that side of it as well. So here again, like you can see, there's the toolkit for the travel and tourism one. Everything is sort of same with the QR code. Lift up the box, And there is your publicized marketing strategy, brainstorming buddy. And again, whole bunch of cards with the greenbacks. So if I take away the little holder, cellophane holder, so look at the cards. And again, with this one, the journey is a little bit different. We have dreaming, planning, booking, cancellation, experiencing, sharing. So that's the main steps of the travel and tourism journey. And again, we've got lots and lots of cards to highlight all the different ideas I've given you. So you can take these ideas and run with them, or it could help spur you on with more creative ideas. And again, similar to other pack, you've got all the different platform cards, blank cards, and more idea cards. So there is a lot of cards in there. There's actually close to 250, 260 cards, something like that. Maybe a little bit more. So lots and lots of cards. I'm just going to put these back in the box and do one final show of this. Put these back in for you. Again, they just feel the company I'm using to print these have been great. They just look and feel fantastic. They feel premium quality. So I'm really, really happy with them, and hopefully we can get all this back on Kickstarter so we can get this in production. So there we go. There's your 2 boxes. And there could be a weight on, there's a lot of cards in them. So that's 2 boxes there, one for travel, one for product and retail, and hopefully you can help back this project. These are the final production ones. So this is what you will be getting when you back the product. You'll be getting one or the other, or if you back both, you can get both. And then I truly believe that then for any small businesses out there, any businesses who are looking to grow their business, try and generate more profit, more revenue, and get a better understanding of how their customers interact with their business, these are invaluable. And not just that, no, I've worked with so many businesses, tried to bring their teams in and getting them inspired to come up with ideas, getting them invested in the business as well. These are proven to be invaluable. It brings the teams together, makes them feel invested, makes them think, well, that's my idea, I can now see that implemented in the business and is working well, etc., etc. So it's just a great team building sort of toolkit as well. So there they are, both toolkits. And yeah, really happy with the quality. These look great. And hopefully, with your help, we can get these into production.